So I'm just done cutting the ends of the hair. This is how much I cut off. I cut the ends because the ends were a little bit very dry. So I wanted to show you guys how I do it, but this girl would not stop crying. So I thought, you know, let me just do it. So we're in the bathroom. I just finished. I used a conditioner and water. I detangled everything and then I cut it. So now the ends looks very fresh. So now what I'm going to do before I wash the hair, I'm going in with this coconut hair mask. I'm going to put it all over her hair and then put a plastic bag, let it sit in for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to wash out the hair. I'm going to wash it out and then I'm going to style the hair. I'm gonna braid the hair. I feel like braiding the hair because that one lasts a little bit longer and it doesn't have those thing on the ends of the hair that's always looking very dirty. But yeah, this is it. I just want to give you guys a sneak peek. We're in the bathroom, so we're sitting in the bathroom. But you guys, the hair is very funny. The underneath hair is like the curls are very beautiful and the hair pattern is just different everywhere. But yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. So now we're going to she's a bit upset. As you guys can see, she wasn't happy. She's a bit upset. So now I'm just going to quickly, I'm almost done with this hair mask. So this is the one I'm using. So I'm going to quickly use this one and just use it on her hair and just let her hair, just do her hair quickly. But it looks very nice. It looks like the hair is short, but the hair is not short. Her hair is pretty long. Her hair is very long. The hair grow oil that I've been using really works. The hair is still very long, just a little bit, just maybe like 2 inches, 2, 3. Some parts I cut like 3 inches, some part I cut like 2 inches. So, but just it's very nice because now when you touch the hair, the ends feels very nice. It doesn't feel really dry. So yeah, just a quick update because I couldn't do a video to show you guys. So I thought let me make a small, just a quick in shot to show you guys what we are doing. So we're going to do the coconut hair mask now.